Previously on Lou on 2. I'm actually on the way to pick something up that's going to be pretty cool for the channel. And now, the continuation. Subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. This is Lou on 2 like you've never seen him before. Acting like a stopping at every red light. Good grief, come on, man. Oh, the one bad thing about riding in Orlando is just traffic light after traffic light after traffic light. Good gracious, come on. Hello everybody, welcome back to Lou on 2. I've got a new drone. That's what I was going getting in the previous video. If you've not seen that previous video, go and give it a watch. I go through rev matching, and at the end I tell you that I'm going getting something, and that something is a drone, which is pretty cool. I got myself a DJI NEO, which we're going to go and test out today. The reason I got it is because it's kind of I just went to scratch my nose and I've got a helmet on. Clever idiot. The reason I got it is because it's slated as like a vlogging drone. It has an automatic follow feature. It follows you around and pans around you and stuff. So I was thinking that while I'm doing my training with my cones on the bike, I can get it to follow and maybe it would be helpful. I mean, other than anything, it will just be some cool views of me riding around a car park. So that's what we're going to go and test out today. Is the DJI NEO good for bikers? Obviously at these high speeds on the road it's not going to follow, but we're going to go and test it out from a motorbiker perspective. So let's go. Update since the last time that I saw you. I've had my 600 mile service. We're at 645 now. So the first servicing on this thing is done. The clutch feels a lot smoother now. I love this thing, Yamaha MT-07. If you're on the fence about getting one, just do it. Pull the trigger. It's a beautiful bike. A lot of fun. Sounds like a cat being molested. It's fine. Look at the speed. This thing is so much fun. And this is the site. So let me show you the DJI NEO. Apparently it's a pretty sturdy little drone. I've seen videos of people dropping it and, you know, flying into walls and stuff. I've not seen a video of one breaking yet. If I'm going to be the first one, then that's a shame, but there it is. See, it's very small, so it doesn't really cope very well with a ton of wind. I did use it in gusty, windy conditions a couple of weeks ago, and it was actually okay. Not the best, not the most stable footage, but it's decent. There's a decent bit of wind today, so we'll see how it reacts. Let's just get this thing flying. I've got spare batteries as well, which will... You don't need to see a battery, that's f***ing boring, isn't it? There you go, it's doing its thing. Now the camera is on. Let's see. There's all sorts of different things that it's got. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. 3, 2, 1. And there it goes. It's pretty weird, but there it is. Let's see if it follows. Right, it's got me in sight here, and you can see it's following. You see how it's kind of tilted because of the wind. Come on. Let's see. I'm going to start it off slow at first. And it is following. A little stalker. Just try and lose it. Drag the brake. Oh, it's doing a nice job, actually. Jesus, that's pretty decent. Now the problem with it is one of the downfalls is the battery life. You only get, it says you get about 18 minutes out of it, which is bollocks. You get about 15, if that. I'm going to go with 12, honestly, and go back to it, because when it loses battery, when it's critically low, it lands itself. So flying it over water or something like that, and it loses its battery, then you're gonna lose your drone, then you. Something to kind of be careful of. I wish the battery life was better, but it's a small drone. It's a little drone to follow a bike. All right, so it's following far at the moment. I want to see if I can pick up the speed a little bit. 12 mile an hour, and I can still hear it. So I think it's still following. Yeah, look at it. It's not bad. That's crazy. I think it lost me for a second there, but see if it still follows me down here, because here's the thing. Let me show you what it does. When it loses you, it stays in place. And it has indeed stayed in place over there. So we got to go back and pick up the drone. Over there on its lonesome, all scared like a scared little pussycat. But it's okay, your master's here. It's found us again. There we go. Well, it's been an idiot now because it's still trying to find me. Calm down, little one. And you just put your hand underneath it when you want to stop it. Another mode. Is the rocket. So I'll be standing here and it'll show you the bike from above, which is pretty cool. And then it comes back down. I've never had a drone before. This is my first ever drone, so it's interesting how they're working to see the kind of the technology, you know what I mean. And this is back where it started, and then put my hand underneath it and it comes down just like that, and a beautiful little landing. So this is the circle feature. It says it's doing it at 2 meters, so it should just do one big circle around me. One limitation with the drone as well, it's not got very good well, it's not got any obstacle kind of avoidance, so if I was to do it too close to that, it would fly into that. But if you space yourself appropriately, it's going to do what you want it to do. Come around to the front, and then there's a circle done. So it's going to come back to you, back to where you set it, hand out, and it lands. Pretty cool. Spotlight, I don't know what spotlight is. I mean, I don't actually know what that's doing. I think it's just staying in the same position and kind of following me around, which is pretty cool if you want to do a little bit of vlogging. You see a lot of these moto vloggers at petrol stations and stuff, they're making videos. It's not cringe at all. It'd be even less cringe if you set off a drone while people are fueling up. But, and then again, hand underneath, and down she comes. Battery is getting low, so I'm going to change the battery. This is what mine came with. I bought the package with the 2 extra batteries, so you get 3 batteries total. You don't need to say battery, that's f***ing boring, isn't it? And it's as simple as that. You change it out, and now having, you know, 3 batteries really makes a big difference, because you can do or spend a lot more time with the drone getting cool shots, you know what I mean. I'm going to set it up in a position so I can kind of drive by it, get some cool shots. So you're going to see me coming.
Whoa, slow down, Maurice.
Let's have a shot that's, you know, just there. I can leave it there, not worry about it. Easily control it with the app. And then come up, pop the bike down, and do an outro to the video. Thank you for watching Luon 2. Hopefully you've enjoyed the little demonstration of the DJI NEO. Obviously you're not going to be able to use it on the actual road going at high speeds. This is more for vlogging, for little stuff that you want to do here and there to add to the video. It's perfect for me as a biker, because I often come to places like this to set up my practice cones and weave in and out of them, so it's going to be cool to show you some stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, appreciate you joining me here on Luon 2. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave it a like, that's going to help me out. It's also going to help me out if you subscribe to Luon 2 as well. But for now, I'm going riding.